Ever wondered what the future holds in terms of groundbreaking tech gadgets? Well, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're about to unveil 12 incredible tech gadgets to buy right now. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a productivity buff, or someone who simply loves exploring the possibilities of tomorrow, we've got something for everyone. But before we delve into the exciting world of innovation, I've got a question for you. What's the one tech gadget you can't live without? Drop your answers in the comments below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button if you're ready for a tech-filled adventure. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest gadgets, and make sure to share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Now, let's dive into the future together. Your comments and likes are our fuel. NanoKey Biometric. Ensure the security of your safe with NanoKey Biometric, a high-resolution, one-touch access biometric scanner. This versatile scanner can be mounted anywhere to provide secure access to your safe. With the capability to store up to 20 fingerprints and a range of up to 20 feet, NanoKey Biometric offers convenient and secure access control. The built-in rechargeable lithium battery provides 3 months of standby time on a single charge, with a quick recharge time of 2.5 hours. Solo Card. Solo Card redefines the concept of traditional business cards. Made of premium quality metal and personalized with laser engraving, Solo Card eliminates the need for physical business cards. The card features an embedded NFC chip, allowing it to transmit all the information about your business directly to the recipient's phone with a simple touch. Say goodbye to the hassle of printing and carrying bulky cards. Solo Card, priced at approximately $67, provides regular updates through its sleek web interface, ensuring your business information is always up to date. Hologram. Bring holographic projection to the comfort of your home with Hologram, a portable transparent projection screen. This innovative device turns Zoom meetings into holographic experiences and allows you to create your own music or holographic shows. The screen projects high-quality images, with black backgrounds creating a stunning floating-in-the-air effect. Hologram is ideal for use as an additional monitor for your PC or laptop, compatible with projectors. The frameless holographic projection screen is priced at $179, offering efficiency and entertainment in one compact device. NYX, fashionable and adaptable Nixie Tube Watch. Inspired by the nostalgic glow of the old Nixie tube, Smart Solutions presents NYX, a fashionable and adaptable version of the classic Nixie tube. This smartwatch supports wireless charging and activates instantly when strapped to the wrist or manually activated. The display lights up in an ancient industrial light order, indicating the hour and minute. The screen is crafted from anti-scratch and splash-resistant material, ensuring durability and protection against water splashes. NYX utilizes genuine iron 16 Nixie tubes and features a gyro sensor to display time and conserve power. Curve Pen. Curve Pen redefines the writing experience by combining elegance, functionality, and flexibility. This pen addresses the age-old challenges of ink smearing and discomfort while writing. With a unique curved nib, it caters to both right and left-handed writers, allowing individuals to adapt their writing style for optimal comfort. The pen provides enhanced control, ergonomic hand grip for added comfort, and Power Pause. 600. Introducing the Power Pause. 600. The world's first rechargeable hand warmer with an impressive IPX7 water resistance rating. Designed for optimal comfort, this hand warmer features an anti-slip silicone design to fit perfectly in all hands. With a runtime of approximately 6 hours, it emits heat at 130 degrees Fahrenheit and offers 4 adjustable heat levels: 100°C D-GUR-F, 110°C D-GUR-F, 120°C D-GUR-F, and 130°C D-GUR-F. Ideal for various outdoor activities such as watching games, hiking, hunting, camping, or ice fishing. Hideaway Collapsible Camp Bowls. When space is limited on your adventures, The Hideaway collapsible camp bowls provide a practical solution for packing essentials. These collapsible bowls, made of food-grade silicone with a double-walled stainless steel rim, can easily fit into the smallest spaces in your bag. The bowls are safe, insulated, versatile, and convenient for use anywhere. Paired with a double-walled stainless steel water bottle, the Hideaway bowls allow you to eat and drink comfortably on your trips. Sidekit. The Sidekit is a versatile and intensive casing designed to help you organize your everyday essentials. With a modular design, it can hold keys, cards, bills, mints, and more. The case features a small length and a thickness similar to a regular wallet, with curved edges for easy entry and exit from your pocket. Mikonos. Mikonos is a mesmerizing device made of stone that combines nature and physics to create a hypnotic visual effect. The device consists of two stones, and when brought together, a magnetic cushion between them causes the top stone to levitate and rotate. The slightly displaced magnetic field induces a levitation effect. Additionally, the device can be enhanced with bioethanol burning levitation, creating a captivating burning display within the stone. Perfect for relaxation after a stressful day, Mikonos offers different modes to suit your mood. Priced at $181, it adds a unique and calming touch to your environment. Eco-shorts. Eco-shorts redefine comfort by integrating solar panels into shorts, allowing you to charge your devices on the go. Crafted from 100% hemp fiber with antimicrobial, antibacterial, and hypoallergenic properties, the fabric feels soft, absorbs moisture, and neutralizes toxins. The hemp material regulates temperature, preventing overheating in hot weather and hypothermia in cold weather. Priced at $59, these shorts provide a sustainable and innovative solution, ensuring you have backup power at your fingertips during your outdoor activities. Prone cushion. The prone cushion is hailed as the world's first cushion designed specifically for lying down, aiming to provide optimal support and comfort. With a patent-pending ergonomic design inspired by the natural shape of the human body, this cushion is crafted to conform to your body, offering support to the entire upper body. The multi-layered memory foam structure helps correct body posture and restore the natural shape of the body. The cushion features 140 unique cooling air cells for breathability and airflow, preventing overheating. Priced at $129, the prone cushion is lightweight and travel-friendly, ensuring comfort wherever you go. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.